Come test drive the 2016 4Runner. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 4.0-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. 4Runner durability is unbeatable. There are more 4Runners on the road today than any other midsize SUV. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.